In fact, no person is an island. The same applies to companies. You can't work by yourself alone without the support of your suppliers, your customers, and your peers. This is the point. So for us, it's critical to build up a strong relationship in the whole network that you engage in. Having your suppliers with you, thinking the same way that you think, trying to have the same business and grow up together. So this is critical for any company, right? And that's why at Bayer, we really advocate about that and say, try to do your best to engage your partners and to build up strong relationships. Those relationships goes beyond business to business. It's a people to people one. You have to meet people, talk to people. That's why I incentive them to come to the conference, to listen what I say, and to go to this area to meet suppliers, to meet people, and create a very strong network. Yeah, the intangible relationship means what makes me want to do business with you. This is the point. What attracts us as companies? It's not the price, it's not the commercial conditions. This is the same to anyone. So there's something more that makes me want to do business with you. And this is something intangible. We can't measure that. We saw that during COVID, where we had our suppliers that really helped us. In the same sense we helped them. But we created this bond between companies and we keep them until today. I'm a certified professional from American Supply Chain Management Group. And one of the key points that we advocate over there, it's about the risk mitigation plans. Supply chain is about having the proper risk mitigation. This is it. You create your network, you set contracts, you start working together with your suppliers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and then you go to your customers and clients. So the whole process must work. And one must be prepared if something happens. If some of those chains breaks, what happens? How can I mitigate that? How can I work? It's incredible the number of companies that have absolutely no risk mitigation at all. And my suggestion today, start right now. Use our generative AI and ask for that. Later today at your home, your office, at the hotel, please create me a risk mitigation plan for my business, kind of blah, blah, blah. And then you have the backbone of a risk mitigation plan. And then you have to continue improving that. And within a few days or weeks, you have a plan that can be defined and shared with your suppliers. Say, if something goes wrong, this is what we're gonna do, right? So it's critical to have this one. No, I think it's critical to have that, but we know how unstable are the clinical trials processes. This is the point. But we must be prepared. If something goes wrong in one of the studies, what should we do? Should we stop? Should we restart once again? Should we review? So it's important to have the backbone of how it works.